In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check if your Roblox account is a kids account or a Roblox Select account. Let's get started. First thing first, one of the easiest way to identify your account type is by looking at the visual interface. If I'm using a Roblox Kids account, you'll notice a distinctive blue background across the entire platform. This design is permanent and cannot be changed, and it clearly indicates that the account is part of the kids category. On the other hand, Roblox Select accounts use the standard Roblox interface, so everything looks like a normal version of the app. Likewise, you can also check account details. Launch Roblox, go to Settings, navigate to the account info. Here you're gonna find your date of birth. This will help you determine whether your account falls in the 5 to 8 kids range or the 9 to 12 select range, depending on how your age is classified in the system. Another important difference is chat functionality. Roblox Kids account usually have disabled by default to ensure maximum safety for younger users. Meanwhile, Roblox Select accounts may have restricted chat features enabled, allowing limited communication under Roblox safety guidelines. Keep in mind that Roblox assigns accounts into these categories using age estimation or ID verification systems, and as users grow older, their accounts can automatically upgrade to the next tier based on their age. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.